Hey, welcome to Tool Time, John. I have another product to review. The folks over at Rebluum had reached out again and asked me if I would do a video on another camera of theirs. It's the ViZiUUY model VZ-3PT2. There's the box. We'll go ahead and open this up. Now, this is a little bit different from the last camera that I did where the solar panel was actually integrated into the body of the camera. So this is separate, but we'll see what all it's got. And excuse my messy desk. And most cameras, when you get them, they will need to be powered on and charged before really installing it. So, you know, typical quick start guide. You've got a sticker to put on your house and a cheat sheet there. Okay, just like their other cameras, it's packaged very, very nicely. This is the solar panel, and this is a much different type of solar panel than the other solar panels that I'm used to seeing. It's kind of got a rubbery, gritty type of surface, and it looks like it's a USB-C type plug to connect to the camera. Another USB to USB-C, different mounts, anchors and screws, and there's the camera. So this is a PTZ or pan tilt zoom. This will be very, very interesting to put up. We've got a couple of screw guides in here as well, or screw templates, I guess. And then we'll just go ahead and get this thing set up and see what all it entails. So according to this, it operates on the CloudEdge app. So the other camera I did for them uses the CloudEdge app. So that's nice. One app to manage all of the cameras on. So if we look at this, the indicator light is supposed to be here. LED lights, obviously, you got 4 of them. You've got the photosensitive sensor here and a PIR motion sensor. You've also got the lens, and you have a mic that's built in. And then, of course, you got your antennas for your Wi-Fi. And then on the underside is the little access cover for your micro SD card, as well as a, oops, turn it this way, a reset button and a power button. And the cable is this with a little protective collar on it to keep the weather and the elements out. So if you haven't gone to the App Store or Google Play, you'll want to just scan that with your camera on your phone, and it'll open up the link to download the app from your appropriate operating system. Well, let's go ahead and turn this thing on and see what we need to do. All right, we'll just go ahead and turn it on, and then I'll add it to my network. Just so happens that I've got an SD card here, and this will support up to 128 gigs, but I've just got a 32. It should be fine. Okay, the light is on. Open up my CloudEdge app, add device. Now there is an option to scan a QR code if there is one. Oh, there is one. So maybe I'll just try that instead.
Hold the device power button to start the device. Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red. Connecting. Please wait a moment. Select a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Please remove all film from the lens. Tap next to show a QR code, and let your device scan the code. Keep your phone 5 to 8 inches from the...
There you go. Ideally, I'm going to install it right there. So we're going to check out the signal strength on the Wi-Fi. Put camera and phone at the place of installation. Press next to enter network diagnostics. So it shows Wi-Fi signal is strong. Well, I got it all installed. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it'll work. That solar panel should be able to collect all the sunlight all day long from right there. There's the camera. Let's see if we can get it to move. So here's the view from the app on my phone, and you can see the image is very clear, and I can actually pan to the right, and I already see a mistake where I've got that antenna sticking down, so that obstructs my view, obviously. Panning left, not a problem, and you can fine tune. See, the zoom on there is actually very, very good. And then tilting down, and then tilting back up, and you hear that little beep, that little chirp. It's basically a limiter. To give you a little bit of an overview of the app itself, we can actually go into settings. It tells you signal strength, electric quantity. You can also get into the device information. And when you go into general settings, it's got a lot of different options there too. The installation guide gives you a real quick, how to do this kind of thing. The battery management guide is interesting also because it tells you what your current battery level is. The schematic of charging, I don't know why they put that in there, but it's in there. The more important thing is to look at the electricity usage statistics. And when it graphs up top, it's very interesting. I mean, obviously, I don't have a whole lot of data here. And then you can also do a device share, so you can add family members or whoever to your network of cameras. That's a pretty cool feature. And other than that, when you go to the main screen, you can do screenshots, you can actually look at your history, alerts, all those kind of things. So that about does it. So far, the camera has worked very well, and I didn't show you how to create the alarm management area or humanoid detection area, but the app does a very, very good job of explaining how to do it, and it's customizable really for what you need. Now, if you don't have an SD card to put into the camera, you can subscribe to their cloud service. And depending on the number of cameras, it could be up to $5 a month for, I can't remember how many devices, maybe up to 3 cameras. So that's something that you're interested in. It's got that option too. The other thing I like is it's got AI built into it. You can go full color night mode, so you can see everything in color versus the black and white, right? There's just a lot of features packed into this little camera, and for the price point, you get quite a bit. So I really like this product. Funny enough, I've got 2 more cameras that I've got to review, and they're all from Rebluum. They're all the ViZiUUY line of cameras. So if you like this kind of content, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Helps me out, as you know. And stay tuned if you want to see those other cameras as well. So until next time, thanks for tuning in. See ya.